So now we are with the logical function of exercise number 4. Now we can take a fresh data set A, B. Here I am going to use the values like this, and I am going to perform first and is it takes both, and is a logical function which takes both, considers both. So I am taking 0 0, both are 0 is false. Same thing I am trying to copy formula and paste it here, and I am going to explain. If any one is, it is considering both, right? So if one is 0, automatically and is a multiplicative operation, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, so false. All these traces are false. So last one is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So the multiplicative function is and, or considers either one. Okay, or considers either one. So OR, we have to type OR, we have to click here. So we are taking these two logical outcome and we are trying to tell. So either 0 or 0 is 0 only, but either 0 or 1 is 1, so true. 0 or 1, at least 1 is 1, 1, true. 1 is 1 is 2, so true. So that is R function, either one, this or that. At least one is there, that is considered as OE function. At least one true is there, then system treats you as true, otherwise false. So it is choosing the best one. That is not there, so it is false. Remaining others are true. So now we can go to not. Not function says negation. Okay. So here not function says negation, not. It considers one only. Okay. So we'll try now. So I am taking this. It says true. Since it is 0, opposite to 0 is 0, it represents false, but system represents true. So likewise, we can find it in not. Now I have to find the difference between extended OR, that is exclusive OR, and normal OR. So normal OR already we did. Again we'll do. Normal OR treats whether either this or that. So at least one is true, system would consider. Right? So we have this, comma, second logical operation is this. So both are false, so system treating that as false. This is for respect to at least one is true, one is filled with the column, then in that particular row one is, at least one is here, 0 is here, so at least one is there, system treats that as true because operation is OR. Here both are true, so system treating as true. Now we can go to XOR, extended or exclusive OR function. It is an algebraic function where see how it differs from R. So here I am taking logical value of this, comma, logical value of this. So next I am considering this. See here, same like both are, see both are having no value, say 0 0, false only, so false. At least one is true, system treating as true. Both are say at least one here true, so system, both are 1, system is treating that as false because here it treats either the one should be true. Since both are 0, system treating as false, both are 1, system treating as false. Either these, between these two is considered, system is treating as. That is the difference between OR and exclusive OR. Okay, thank you.